These are our recommendations to our applicants when applying for the best jobs abroad. 1. Aim to impress your interviewer. You must be well-groomed during the interview, dress appropriately, communicate well in English, be confident during the interview, and be articulate and highlight your strengths and qualifications. 2. Most interviews toward the end will give you a chance to ask questions. Use this time to ask relevant and important questions or concerns you may have that need clarification. Oftentimes, this shows inquisitiveness and that you are really interested in joining the company. 3. Ensure that prior to your application or interview, visit the company's website and country of destination. Familiarize yourself with your employer's portfolio. Read about the country where you will potentially work, know about their culture, tradition, taxation, and laws of the land. 4. Get a 4-wheel driver's license, most commonly required for skilled workers and professionals. This is an additional skill that you can include in your application. It is highly recommended that you also apply for an international driving license 1 to 2 weeks prior to deployment. 5. Your resume/CV should enumerate records of your employment. Record must start from present to initial company, must be comprehensive with complete employment history and gaps with appropriate reasons. Always indicate tool and equipment handled, the brand and the model. 6. Always indicate your contact details in your resume/CV, permanent address, updated contact number, and your email address. Make sure that all this information is spelled correctly. 7. Have a medical checkup to ensure that you are medically fit for employment. Get appropriate medical treatment if you have medical issues prior to application. Have a healthy lifestyle. Get a dental checkup as needed, and mind your mental health. 8. Get your legal documents immediately prior to application. Process your passport for a 10-year validity. Process or renew your NBI clearance. Process your educational credentials, diplomas, training certificates, transcript of records, and Form 137 from high school. 9. Abide by the requirements given by IPAMS in the Department of Migrant Workers. Do not delay or prolong the process of your mobilization. Go to scheduled appointments, medical appointment, submission of documents, visa appointments, and orientation schedule. 10. Attend, participate, and listen well during orientations and discussions. Each country and employer have their own specific requirements. Be cooperative with the guidelines provided by IPAMS during orientations and discussions. 11. Before exiting your current country of employment abroad, get the required documents for work permit application from the EU, Canada,
Hi! Good afternoon. Magandang hapon po sa lahat ng mga taga-subaybay ng ating Thursday 2 o'clock habit. Sitting on behalf of our Miss Lala Macarana, so is just out of the office today. So, pipilitin po natin na magampanan itong upuan na pansamantalang binakante ni Miss Lala just for today. Good afternoon everybody at saka po yung mga nanonood mapa sa Pilipinas man at sa buong mundo. Magandang hapon po at shout out doon sa ating live viewers. That's early for 481 na kaagad. Marami pong salamat. Sa tawag doon yung ating 1.8 million followers. Thank you very much, solid followers. At sa tiwala na patuloy po kayong sumusubaybay at kunin na rin po namin itong pagkakataon para po i-announce sa public na mag-iingat po kayo sa mga fake page na gumagaya po sa atin. So, pakitandaan lang po yung legit na page ni IPAMS, mayroon po tayong 1.8 million followers. And whoever is part of this 1.8 million, welcome po sa inyong lahat. Well, again, isang Huwebes na naman po at magbibigay na naman po tayo ng mga magagandang balita patukol po sa mga opportunity na meron po tayo sa ating mga employers overseas. Okay? While we are broadcasting live po, if we have the chance, magbabasa din po kami ng mga comments ninyo at we will do our best po para masagot natin yung inyong mga inquiries. Okay? So, mayroon na unang comment kay Verb Davalos. I hope I have read that correctly. Ang tanong niya po is how to apply. Okay. Meron po tayong dito. There, if you are watching live now, nasa screen po natin ngayon ang ating 4 ways to apply. So, paki-screenshot po. Paki-screenshot at medyo madami-dami po yung nakalista dyan kung paano po kayo makapag-apply. Well, ang una-una po dyan, pwede po kayong mag-walk-in dito sa aming office, which is located at 723 Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. Tapat na tapat lang po kami ng Robinsons Magnolia, and we are in between Betigo Belmonte and what's the other train station, and Gilmore is from 8:30 to 2:30 from Tuesday and Wednesday. So meron po tayong mga job vacancies na ina-advertise at ini-entertain po natin yung mga walk-ins at pakiusap po sa mga mag-walk-in dito, maaari pong dalhin niya ninyo ang inyong mga initial documents. Katulad po ng passport copy, NBI certificate, yung inyong PAYO certificate, at saka of course ang inyong pong detailed na updated na CV. Hindi po kami tumatanggap ng mga original na dokumento, so where possible po magdala kayo ng mga photocopies ng mga documents ninyo. Second po, ay pwede din po kayo mag-apply online. Just go to our page na sa website natin, www.ipams.com, and you can apply using the job seekers page. Mas easier po pagka nag-check kayo sa page natin, sa website natin, nandoon po lahat ang ating mga job opportunities, kompleto po. Alright? And then the third ay pwede po kayong mag-download ng ating mobile app. Ito po ay free via Apple Store and Google Play. Mas maganda din po ito because once you filled in yung ating info na hinihingi sa ating mobile app, automatic po pasok po kayo sa ating database. And of course, yung number 4 po is you can email your CV to those CVs listed. Per industry po, may corresponding emails para po sakto yung mapapadalhan ninyo. Okay, shout out daw, watching from San Mateo, Rizal. Thank you very much, Marilyn Cabigaw. Thank you for watching. Mayroon pa rin dito watching from Taiwan. Thank you for watching. At saka if you have got nabasa na ninyo po yung ating 4 ways to apply, I just would like to take this opportunity also to announce kung ano po yung mga industry na wala po tayong vacancy at hindi po tayo nagre-recruit ng mga ganitong position po. So, hindi po tayo nagre-recruit ng caregivers, fruit picker, housekeepers, family drivers, at saka sa sales po. So, doon sa mga natin, sa ating mga viewers, please take note po para hindi naman masayang yung inyong oras just in case you wanted to visit our office. So, caregivers, fruit picker, housekeepers, family drivers, and sales, wala po tayong vacancies or hindi po tayo nagre-recruit ng mga ganitong positions po. Okay? So, may po ba tayo? May boses po ba tayo? May audio tayo? Paki-comment naman po dyan para malaman natin kung naririnig tayo. Okay. Meron akong nababasa. Medyo mabilis yung dating ng ating mga questions. Although may nabasa ako kung mayroon ba tayong hiring ng welder. Yes, definitely po. Ang welder po, this is an ongoing requirement. Pero po mayroon po tayong specialization. Usually po yung mga FCAW, TIG, MIG, yun po ang ating mga hinahanap. Unfortunately po, pagka SMAW pa lang ang ating experience, kailangan nyo pong mag-upgrade para po, pag nagkaroon ng opportunity, at mayroon kayong application sa atin, pwede po natin yan ma-evaluate ang inyong application. Shout out daw kay April Joy Rafael Valante, watching from Mati, Davao City. Maayong hapon mga taga Davao City. From Philip Villacorte, Safety Officer. Sir, at the moment po, wala po tayong opening ng Safety Officer. But antabayanan nyo lang po yung mga pronouncement natin sa Facebook. Baka po soon magkaroon tayo ng ganyang vacancy. Si Jess Iros, watching while working. Oh, thank you very much for multitasking. Nanonood habang nagtatrabaho. Thank you po. So, any more questions? Lineman, okay, I can see from Allen Joy. Yes, we are pulling po ang linemans natin. This is an ongoing project na dine-develop po natin. So, hopefully soon, once na natapos na po yung ating documentation, we will definitely go out and look for more linemen po. Ano pa ang mga tanong? Service crew bound to Canada? Yes, this is another position, especially if you have experience po sa international fast food chain. Iyan po ang number one na requirement ni employer. Kailangan po you have at least 2 years experience, solid experience currently working. This goes to say with fast food service supervisor and fast food attendant. You can send your application via email, or of course if you are near our office, you can drop your CVs. And we are planning to actually launch another big campaign sometime next week para sa mga posisyon na ito. Alright? Oy, watching from Dubai. Is that it's shown already? Possible po ba mag-apply sa inyo nandito sa ibang bansa? Pwede naman po. We do not restrict applicants only from the Philippines. Obviously, anybody can apply, which is why po mayroon tayong mga email addresses na binibigay natin para if you are unable to come here physically, pwede po online ang application. Alright? Okay, so we have a question from Rosalinda Baldesancho, Macapalag, watching from San Pablo, Isabela. Wow, that's quite far. Wala po tayong opening ng security guard, and so far po hindi po tayo nagre-recruit ng security guard. Patrick Ocampo, shout out, watching from KSA. And Alexander, my between, watching from South Korea. Wow! Imagine ang ating mga followers, they are really all over the world. And once again, wala po kaming, unending po ang aming pasasalamat sa inyong lahat for being a solid follower ng ating pong page. Okay, so Natasha Faith Espalda. Alright, Natasha Faith Espalda, pasok po ba ang 19 years old? Okay, for overseas employment po, at least it has to be 21 years old. Ano pa? And depende po yan, depende po sa position yan. At least ang qualification po natin, 21 years old plus your working experience po. Kasi most of our clients, especially overseas, naghahanap po sila ng candidates na dapat mayroon na pong experience doon sa industry na ina-applyan nila. Oh wow! Time check po tayo muna and magbe-break tayo. And this time check is brought to you by our sponsor. na si Hawk One Manufacturing Corporation. At ito po ang company na to, si Temple, has multiple products na makikita po natin sa ating mga leading supermarkets. So, salamat Hawk One Manufacturing Corporation.
This program is sponsored by Hawk One Manufacturing Corporation. A taste of excellence.
Okay. Oh, that is a quick break. Now we are back. Anyway, so punta na po tayo doon sa mga show, sa mga events na kailangan na, sa mga events po. Oh, all right. Shout out Sir Raymond. I am doing a multilingual show simply because po to reach our applying populace. So, where possible po, magtataglis tayo. Thank you for watching, Sir Raymond. Right, back to the show. May mga events po tayo na malapit ng darating. So, these are the confirmed events. Calling all those kababayan from Ormoc City sa February 26, 2024, mayroon po tayong mini job fair. Attend po tayo ng mini job fair na gagawin po sa Ormoc City. And then March 8, 2024, we are also invited and we will be participating on the 8th Kanlahi Festival of the province of Tarlac. Ito po ay job fair din po. So, for those applicants na malapit po dyan, you do not need to travel to Manila, you just have to attend these job fairs po. There is another invite, so we are just waiting for formal invitation, and this is for our kababayan sa bandang Mindanao po. This is for Peso Davao Job Fair, and this is gonna be on February 24 as well. So, once po na nakakuha na tayo ng license, this will be published po sa ating official Facebook page para po ma-aware kayo ng mga activities na magaganap dito sa mga job fairs. Okay. Okay. Ang IPAMS po, we only have one office which is located at 723 Aurora Boulevard, Quezon City. We do not have any branches nor other agents in the Philippines. So wala po tayong branch sa Davao, sa Cebu, CDO, and Pampanga. So please, again, I would like to take this opportunity to again warn ang mga applicants natin that if anybody or any personality representing to be IPAMS outside our office premises, please beware po at wala po tayong mga pinapadalang agents sa labas ng ating opisina. It's basically dito po nangyayari ang lahat ng transaksyon or pag-a-apply, pag-i-interview sa ating office. Maliban na lang po kapag naimbitahan tayo ng mga job fairs ng mga ating peso offices, that is the time that we will send our official representative. Other than that, hindi po kami nag-i-entertain sa mga fast food, sa coffee shop, or anywhere else. Wala po tayong ganon. So, beware po. Okay? Marjorie Samarita Logarte. You are welcome to drop by in IPAMS anytime po. Monday to Friday from 8 in the morning to 6 in the afternoon. Dialysis nurse. So, apply ka na ma'am sa usrn@ipams.com. Meron po tayong kailangan ng mga US nurses po. Okay? So, do we have more chef or cook to Canada? At the moment po, wala pa po tayong vacancy ng chef at saka cook for Canada. We just completed po our recruitment sa chef para po ito sa Qatar Airways. Okay. Medyo mabilis. Pasensya na po yung mga hindi nababasa ha. Meron akong nadaanan. Backhoe operator. These are some of the role po na every now and then meron tayong opportunity. So, magpadala lang po kayo ng inyong detailed CV doon sa ating email addresses na mention natin earlier in the program. May admin work o kahit food. Yes. Food counter attendant po na-mention ko na kanina, nagpupul po tayo niyan. Especially kung yung experience nyo po is coming from an international fast food chain. Hello Jamal, good morning. Watching from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Magandang hapon din po. The Gol Ramon Al-Kusari. Shout out, watching from KSA. Mechanic here. Sir, ano po klase kayong mechanic? Kailangan po namin ng tanker truck mechanic. Ang interview po nito sa end of February, nandito po employer natin. So kung tanker truck mechanic po kayo, padala na agad kayo ng CV. ASAP. Okay, si Julio Aro, watching from Valencia City, Bukidnon. Sir, wala po tayong factory worker. Okay, what else? Field Compliance Coordinator, Saudi Aramco. Yeah, Sir Delson John Herrera Bonifacio, you can send po your CV doon sa ating mga in-announce na mga email addresses earlier. Housekeeping po, as I mentioned in the beginning, wala po tayong opening na housekeeping. RC Soblilon. Kitchen helper, watching from Saudi Arabia. If you are a fast food attendant po, yes, but wala po tayong specific na kitchen helper po. Annalisa Nika, watching from Pampanga, Angeles City. Good afternoon po. Thank you for watching. Machine operator for Hungary or Poland po. Okay, Cherry Balakit. Wala pa po tayong order for machine operator at the moment. Pero po, mag-send lang po kayo ng CV para kapag magkaroon tayo ng order, at least nakapool na po kayo. Rodolfo Macalino, sorry sir, wala po tayong caregiver. Mabilis po, hindi pasensya na yung hindi ko mabasa lahat ha. Sobrang mabilis. Service crew, yes, meron po tayo. Send na po ng application sa online. Welder fabricator, TIG, MIG po, ex-abroad, 47 years old. Yes, Ma'am Charlene Hernandez, pasabi po sa husband ninyo, magpadala po ng application. Okay. Balik po tayo sa balik po tayo doon sa mga nagtatanong kanina kung paano makarating sa ating offices. Andito po ang ating human GPS para po yung ating live GPS para po i-guide kayo kung paano tayo makarating dito sa opisina. Mr. Willie, the GPS man.
Hello po, Ma'am
Take it away.
Perla. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po sa lahat. Sa mga sumusunod sa Facebook Live ng IPAM. So, about po sa mga pupunta ho rito sa IPAMS, yung mga magagaling mo sa norte, like Tarlac, Pampanga, and Bulacan. So, sakay lang po kayo ng bus papuntang Cubao. And then, alam na po natin na meron po tayong mga point to point o ano po na binababa ng bus. Basta baba lang kayo ng terminal dito sa Cubao and then lakarin nyo lang po yung Aurora Boulevard and then sumakay po kayo ng jeep papuntang Divisoria o Stop and Shop. Tapos baba po kayo ng Robinson Magnolia Mall and then sa tapat po nun makikita nyo na po yung IPAMS. And then kung meron po, yung nakarang linggo po may nagtanong po na paano po papuntang IPAMS kung magagaling ng San Jose del Monte. So, meron po tayong bus po dyan na, carousel po ba yun, ma'am? Ayan, carousel. So, carousel po, sakay po kayo ng bus po going to Pasay. And then, baba po kayo sa Main Avenue. So, yung Main Avenue po, doon po titigil yung carousel. So, medyo mahaba lang po lalakarin nyo papuntang Aurora Boulevard. And then, punta po kayo sa Gateway. And then may makikita po kayong store doon ng burger store na yung malaking sapatos na kulay dilaw. So masarap po ang french fries doon, sabi ni Ma'am Lala. Doon po, sumakay po kayo ron ng jeep going to San Divisoria and Stop and Shop. And then sabihin nyo lang sa driver na babaho kayo sa Robinson Magnolia Mall and makikita nyo po yung IPAMS. Second, kung manggagaling naman po kayo ng South, so Batangas, Laguna, sakay lang po kayo ng Alps o kaya ng Jamliner po. Babaho kayo. Ang Alps po, dalawa po ang terminal ho niyan. Isa ho sa Mega Mall, isa ho rito sa may Aurora Boulevard. So, huwag nyo sasakyan ho yung papuntang Mega Mall, Ortigas. Ang sakyan nyo yung papuntang Aurora o Katipunan area po. Doon po kayo sumakay na bus na Alps. Dahil doon po, pagbaba nyo sa terminal, may makikita na po kayong jeep na dumadaan na going to going to Divisoria and Stop and Shop na nanggagaling po sa Marikina. Third, yung manggagaling naman po sa Cavite. So, sa Cavite naman po, part ng Cavite po, sakay po kayo ng bus going to, maraming pong way yan. Meron po sa Loton, sa Maynila, and then meron din po sa Pasay. So, kung sasakay po kayo ng bus going to Pasay po, sakay po kayo ng MRT. And then, pagdating sa MRT po, baba po kayo sa Cubao Station, dumaretso po kayo ng Gateway, so baba po kayo ng Aurora, and then sumakay po kayo ng Divisoria at Stop and Shop. And then baba po kayo sa Robinson Magnolia Mall. Nandun na po ang IPAMS.
Right. Sabi ko na nga ba, live GPS ito. Meron kaming live. Ano yung, what is it called dito sa Philippines?
Waze.
Waze. Yun. Live Waze. Ito si Mr. Willie. Maraming
Thank you
salamat
po, Ma'am Lala.
Thank you.
Ma'am Perla.
Oo. Hindi. Bayaan mo na. La din naman dulo ng pangalan ko. Walang problema.
Thank you po. Sige po,
Oo,
Ma'am.
thank you. Siguro, Oy, Lady Red, Liarce, watching from Hong Kong. Hello, everyone sa Hong Kong. Ryan Pacanya, what if kung 2005-2006 yung experience ko sa resort and hotel as a counter and food attendant, pasok po rin ba ako? Okay, so Ryan, as I mentioned earlier, lalo na po sa Canada, medyo strict po ang mga employer na kailangan po currently working ka dyan sa industry na ina-applyan mo. So, siguro gusto mo mag-apply dito sa mga fast food. Ano po tayo? Kailangan po currently working po kayo dyan sa industry. The time is really fast. We're running out of time. Pero gusto ko talagang basahin tong yung mga opportunity natin para at least aware ang mga manunood. So, sa Belgium po, kailangan pa rin natin doon ang site managers. So, we need a site manager in Belgium. So, please send your CV sa ating mga CVs na pinablish natin. And then, again, this is Canada. We need duct installers. I think I saw somebody earlier asking if we have this vacancy. Yes, we have a duct installer vacancy, and the final interview of this will be last week of this month, February. Tank truck mechanics, heavy vehicle mechanics, the same. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-apply, final interview is last week of February 2024. Tireman and tire installer. Final interview din po last week of February 2024. Let me just reiterate na ito po ay for Canada at ito pong binabanggit nating interview is face-to-face, meaning pupunta po dito ang mga employers to conduct the final interview. Mayroon din po tayong specialized cleaners, pero ang kailangan po dito, dapat po siya ay may driver's license na 4-wheel. Hindi po pwedeng driver's license lang ng motor. Dapat po 4-wheel. Again, interview will be last week of February 2024. We need a heavy equipment mechanic for mining. We need more. So, calling all those applicants from the mining industry, kailangan po natin ng heavy equipment mechanic. And millwright po, millwright and crushers, kailangan din po natin. Okay, and this is again for Canada. And also, we have CNC machinist na mga kailangan. Okay, so these are all the mga roles that we continuously pull the applicants because madalas po itong nire-request ng ating mga employer. Sa Czech Republic naman po, we still need the aircraft sheet metal technicians para ito sa Boeing and ang kailangan po natin dito should have a Boeing and Airbus experience para sa CSAT. Dito naman tayo sa Asia, sa East Timor, we need information technology managers, credit control officers, maintenance executives and technicians, and of course, sales and managers para sa real estate po sa mga malls. This is for East Timor. And of course, we have to include na maliban po sa mga overseas opportunities natin, meron din po tayong local requirement. This is para sa Quanta Services Philippines, commissioning electrical engineer po ang kailangan natin. And I just would like to announce this. Mainit-init pa to. This is for prospective local employment po. Para naghahanap po tayo ng channel assistant manager, field sales representatives, software development manager, corporate sales executives para sa retail, at sa corporate sales executive para po sa banking and telecommunication industry. So once this project is finalized po, watch out na lang, ipapublish po natin ito sa ating Facebook page. Wow! So after Philippines, we go to Saudi Arabia, whereby we are now working with our client, the largest sports company in the kingdom, under Lijam, but their brand name is Fitness Gym. So we would like you to see the video para po may idea kayo kung ano yung magiging potential job site dito sa mga positions na re-recruitin natin. Welcome back. So, ang ganda, di ba? Ang ganda ng kanilang gym. So, for that client po, kailangan natin ng fitness managers, at least with 5 years experience. Group exercise trainers, at least with 2 years experience. Fitness trainers, 2 years experience. At saka swimming trainers or a lifeguard, 2 years experience di po. Pero kailangan license lifeguard po siya dito sa Philippines. This is such a very, very attractive opportunity kasi maliban pa po sa basic salary, nag-o-offer po ito ang company na to ng attractive commissions that obviously will be discussed during the interview doon sa mga shortlist natin. Kaya apply na. Diba? Okay. From Saudi, allow me to go to the country which I love, my second home, United Arab Emirates. Okay. So, ito ang isa sa project natin or client natin na napakabilis. May mga de-deploy na po tayo dito sa February 5. Our first deployment of 3 people will be flying to join their employer. So, kailangan pa rin po natin ng mechanical technicians, rotating equipment po dapat ang experience. We still have 4 slots to fill. So, 4 na lang po. Medyo mabilis po tayo ditong naka-fulfill. Kaya, dun po sa may mga experience ng rotating equipment, mechanical technicians, please send your applications. And then, Oracle System Consultant. This is again for UAE. Para po ito sa Cefeco Global. Okay? So, from UEA, punta naman po tayo sa USA, so United States of America. Continuous po ang ating hiring ng mga nurses para po sa ating partner na Visa Solutions Healthcare. So yung nurse natin na asked, please send your application na para we have Visa Solutions Healthcare. Tapos we also have Eva Care Group. Ito po, mayroon itong interview next week, face-to-face dito sa ating office po, si Eva Care. Wow! Sobrang madami pa sana tayong madami pa tayong i-announce, but it's time na po para i-join tayo ng ating isa sa IPAMS Senior Recruitment Officer. Okay? So, we will be joined by Mr. Jomel Pigao. Siya po ang ating lead recruiter ng maraming nagtatanong kanina, fast food service supervisor, at saka, of course, sa fast food industry po, Mr. Jomel is our guy. Okay. So, habang ini-introduce natin si Jomel, mag-adjust lang daw po tayo ng upuan. Syempre, may bisita tayo, kaya kailangan may pamerienda tayo. O, di ba? Mr. Jomel, I am very pleased to present to you our native merienda, Maha Blanca. This is because, kaya tayo may Maha Blanca dahil dito sa ating sponsor na si Temple. So may mais din po sila. So ito yung mais na ginamit natin. Masarap po siya. Very soft yung kanyang kernels ng kanyang mga mais. So pwede siya sa Maha Blanca, perfect, at saka sa other pa. But
so, pwede ko nang tikman, Ma'am
yes,
Perla?
you can. Tikman natin kung ano ba to.
So, by the way, guys, good afternoon, viewers. So, thank you, Ma'am Perla, for this opportunity na binigay niyo po sa
kakain
akin.
muna ako.
Alright, so let's taste it.
Masarap. Yummy. Brought to you
Yeah.
by Temper. In fairness, ang sarap. Nako, parang tapusin ko ng live kasi kain muna ako ng Maha Blanca na mayroong corn ni Temple. Ayan, may
Sarap.
talaga, sarap. Thank you sa sponsor, si Hok Guan. Thank you very much. Well, I know, Jomel, you still would like to eat, but marami tayong viewers na interested viewers to know about the job opportunity for fast food supervisor or kaya crew. Inom lang ako sandali. So, Jones, sorry. Dahil sa nag-submit. Break muna tayo. Sige, ikaw muna dyan.
This program is sponsored by Hokwan Manufacturing Corporation. A taste of excellence.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. O, di ba kasi live tayo, anything can happen. Inubo si Dakilang Perla. Inubo. Anyway, Joms. Excited kasi ako para malaman. Being the lead recruiter ng fast food natin na mga kailangan, what are the basic qualification you are looking for potential applicant?
Alright, so thank you, Ma'am Perla. So actually, guys, of course, we are looking for an applicant, especially bound to Canada. So we are looking for an applicant who has an experience in a fast food industry. Of course, because ang kailangan po natin doon sa Canada is one of the famous fast food chain company po. So nangangailangan po kami ng mga applicants for those applicants who has an experience in a fast food industry, for fast food supervisor and fast food crew. Also, meron din po tayong opening for Middle East for female restaurant manager, male and female po yon, at the same time mga cruise din po. So going back doon po Ma'am Perla sa questions po ninyo, ang kailangan ko talaga or hinahanap ko sa mga aplikante is yung merong confidence level. Not necessarily kasi na you have a solid experience, at the same time you are good in communication skills. Tinitignan din po natin yung confidence level ng isang aplikante. Yung kayang makipagbalik-taktakan din sa employer pagdating po sa interview.
Kasama ba ang behavior?
Yes po,
ang
ma'am.
attitude? Kasama ba sa screening?
Yes po. Tayong mga dito sa IPAMS, ma'am, hindi kasi tayo basta-basta lang bumabato ng mga aplikante sa mga employers po natin. Ang binabato natin sa mga kliyente po natin, ma'am, is yung mga kumbaga total package na po siya.
Okay.
Merong communication skills, yung experience, at the same time yung attitude po ng aplikante
Okay.
po.
How big is the effect dun sa attitude na sinasabi mo? And when you say attitude, ano yun? Pwede bang i-expand?
Alright.
Anong klaseng attitude yun?
Oo. Kailangan during the interview, guys, is kailangan magpakatotoo po tayo. Be yourself during the interview. Hindi po yung minimemorize lang po yung mga sagot pagdating sa question, sa interview,
So,
parang ganun.
dapat hindi dikahoon.
Yes.
Okay.
Kailangan po be
So,
yourself talaga.
Tips yan ha. Free tips na yan sa mga applicants. As in, it is part of IPAM's promise to uplifting lives of Filipinos. So therefore, first hand po na mga tips ang binibigay ni Sir Jomel para po dun sa mga aplikante. Alam nyo na kung ano yung hinahanap. Basic qualification pa lang yun.
Yes,
May
basic.
English test ba tayo, sir?
Yes. So,
okay.
lahat po ng hiring po natin bound to Canada is lahat po ng mga shortlist po namin ng mga aplikante, we are requiring for an English test exam. So once you have been completed all your documents po, kailangan din po namin iti-test yung English proficiency po ninyo. Hindi po to siya IELTS po, guys. So it's a basic lang po siya, English test po.
Oo. Ay paano kung bumagsak ako kunyari sa test pero pumasa naman ako sa face-to-face interview?
Kailangan natin din pong pag-aralan po yung natin. Kasi minsan yes, we admit naman na we are very skilled, we are well experienced, pero pagdating sa com skills po is hindi tayo masyadong ganun ka-excel or hindi ganun kataas yung level of proficiency po natin sa English. So kailangan pa rin po natin yon. Kailangan
Okay.
talaga.
Sir, may tanong dito si Daniel Mangahas. Fast food supervisor, ma'am, sir, pwede ba 3 years experience sa coffee shop?
In regard, as what I have said kanina, we are looking for an applicant who has an experience in a fast food industry. Since yung client po natin ngayon it's a fast food chain. In that question po, hindi po natin siya mako-consider po in a fast food chain po na company. Pwede po yun sa coffee shop since na meron po din po tayong client, Ma'am Perla, na it's a coffee shop. Industry din po sa Canada. Pwede po yun.
So Sir Daniel Mangahas, pwede din po kayo mag-apply dahil mayroon po kaming kliyente na na coffee shop po. Yung isang pinakamalaking kapihan na paborito nating lahat na kulay ganon, puti at verde. Ito pa sir, galing kay Mary Grace Reyes Sabado. Pag sa fast food po, may age limit po ba?
No.
Oh.
Wala po tayong age limit po, guys, pagdating po sa fast food, bound to Canada po. Pero depende po yan sa qualifications din po ng employer po natin. Because some of our branches po ng fast food chain, they are not requiring age. Walang silang age requirement po. Pero some of branches naman, meron po silang age requirement. So we accept kahit ilang taon ka pa po. Kasi pwede po namin kayo ilagay doon sa iba't ibang branches po.
Very good. Okay, meron pa si J.R. Mariano. Service crew, ma'am, sir. Galing po ako McDonald's 1.5 years. 1.5 years siya sa McDonald's.
Yes, pwede po yun. ang basic qualifications for this fast food industry po is we are looking for an applicants na at least minimum of 2 years if you are at least high school graduate or AL certified
Okay.
or college graduate man po kayo. Tumatanggap din po kami ng at least 1 year plus experience if you are HRM graduate.
Okay. Yes, yeah. So maganda 'yon. So doon 'yun sa mga HRM graduate, kumbaga meron konting preference sa employer dan kapag ka HRM graduate ka. So medyo maigsi na yung
Yes,
years of experience pero kino-consider.
Yes, because they have an OJTs, ma'am.
Very good. What else? What else can you can you share about this opportunity?
Okay. So actually kailangan din po yung tips and advice ko lang din sa mga applicants, so sa mga aspiring applicants na nangangarap na magtrabaho abroad, kailangan yung yung preparedness po natin in working overseas. Yun po yung kailangan hindi kasi na prepared lang po tayo physically Kailangan prepared din po tayo mentally din po.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
minsan we are totally excited pagdating na mag-work abroad pero pagdating pala sa abroad naho-homesick din po tayo. So kailangan yung preparedness po natin mentally din po kailangan.
That's right. So, Sir Joms, is there any upcoming parang
Interview.
group screening na mangyayari?
Yes. Actually, Ma'am Perla, in our database po, we have a lot of applicants na nag-send ng mga profiles nila. So, and then we are continuous pre-screening po based on their CVs, based on their working experience po. So, and then possibly we are conducting another set of face-to-face initial screening interview by second week of February. So, for those applicants din po na makaka-receive ng email sa akin, please make sure po, binigay ko na yung mga tips and advices. So, make sure na prepared po tayo during the interview.
Okay. Meron pa si Micaela Dacusin. Ma'am, tanong ko lang, ilang years of experience ang fast food crew?
Alright. So, kanina, kung naalala niyo, Micaela, ang experience po na kailangan po natin is at least 2 years in a fast food industry. Kailangan po currently employed po kayo. Opo. So, kung ang experience po natin is way back 2019, 2020, 2021, medyo malayo na kasi siya kasi since na yung processing timeline po natin pag sa Canada, it takes 8 to 12 months or more.
Yes.
So, depende pa rin po yun sa inyo kung gaano kayong kabilis mag-submit ng documents, ma-fit to work sa medical po.
Yeah.
So, minimum of 2 years experience kung high school graduate ka, AL certified ka, or college graduate ka. Pero at least 1 year lang din kung HRM graduate ka po.
Okay, meron tayong tanong from Zaira Sabino. Manager po from McDonald's, saan mag-apply?
Alright. So, in regards po dyan, pwede po kayong mag-walk-in dito sa amin. We are open for walk-in applicants every Tuesdays and Wednesdays. And then, time to time din po, you can check our Facebook page. Kasi doon sa Facebook page po namin, nakapost din po yung mga ads po namin regarding po sa mga hiring. And then, nakalagay din po doon yung 4 ways on how to apply. So, doon sa 4 ways on how to apply, pwede po kayo, kung sa mga Visayas, Mindanao area po kayo, you can send your profile through our email addresses po sa fnb@ipams.com. Pwede po doon.
Pa-shout out daw, Sir Jomel.
Okay, shout out kay Joanne Kit Rigolano, one of our recruitment officers here in IPAMS.
Alright. Wow. So siguro yung pinaka-main na tips na ibigay na ni Sir Jomel kung sino yung qualified at ano yung hinahanap naming qualifications para sa fast food industry. So bibigyan na rin kayo ng tip ni Jomel kung ano yung mga initial documents na kailangan yung dalhin kapag ka nagpunta kayo dito for the fast food industry job opportunity. So ano po yung mga basic requirements na kailangan present dala nila?
Alright. First is of course is your resume or CV po. So kailangan doon sa CV po ninyo updated po 'yon. Kailangan lahat po ng mga working experience na meron po kayo nakalagay po doon. At the same time nakalagay din po doon yung mga duties and responsibilities po ninyo. And then second is your passport copy. So kailangan yung passport po ninyo is valid 3 years. Yung passport po ninyo. And then yung NBI, kailangan din po yon. PEO certificate. So yung PEOs po natin, you can visit our Facebook page. Nandun naman din po yung link kung paano po kayo kumuha ng PEO certificate po. And then, of course, your school credentials. So ito kasi may concern kasi Ma'am Perla minsan kasi yung mga college graduate nagtatanong, Sir, kailangan po ba namin magdala pa ng high school diploma at saka yung mga Form 137 since na meron naman po kaming
College diploma.
TOR at saka college diploma. So, yes, kailangan pa rin po yon. So, sinasubmit din po natin yan kasi sa Canada Immigration or IRCC po sa for visa stamping or paggawa ng LMIA po ninyo. So, kailangan pa rin po yon. So, school credentials, kailangan din po yon. And then, yung SSS employment history po. So, doon sa SSS employment history, kailangan po naka-indicate din po doon lahat ng mga companies na pinagtatrabahuan po ninyo. Pero kung you are an ex-abroad, wala namang problema kahit hindi po naka-indicate po doon kasi hindi naman po yun binabayaran ng international companies. At the same time, yung pag once na ex-abroad po kayo, foreign police clearance.
Yes.
Foreign police clearance po. So may tanong din, paano sir pag galing po sa Saudi kasi parang wala po kaming foreign police clearance. As long as na meron po kayong final exit clearance po, yun po yung kailangan po namin. Yun po yung kailangan ninyong i-present po sa amin instead of foreign police clearance. Pero the other countries, kailangan foreign police clearance po.
Okay, so may tanong dito, kung kailangan daw ba ang IELTS sa Quebec, Canada?
Okay. So hindi po siya requirement dito sa Philippines yung IELTS na kailangan ninyong mag-take muna ng IELTS bago kayo lumipad. Hindi po siya kailangan. Doon sa Quebec is a French language po ma'am na
French-speaking province po ang
Yes.
Quebec. So ideally, kung if you wanted to enhance your language skills, mag-aral ka na ng basic French. Advantage ninyo yon, especially for those people who will be working in the fast food industry because you will be interacting with customers who are obviously French speakers. So it will be on your advantage if you learn French kahit nandito pa lang kayo sa Philippines.
yes,
Alright.
at least basic.
I just would like to ask, may height requirement ba ito?
No, wala po tayong height
O
requirement.
paano yung
Walang
kayang
height.
abutin ba yung mga storage and all those? Wala po ba tayong height
Wala
requirement?
naman po ma'am. Wala tayong height
Okay.
requirement po.
I see. Very good, very good. So, regardless na babae, lalaki, wala
Yes,
po tayong
wala po
requirement.
tayong age discrimination. At the same time, wala tayong gender discrimination din po. Wala po tayong
Okay.
ganun.
Mayroon ng questions. Pwede po daw ba may tattoo?
Yes, pwede naman po. Wala naman pong problema kung kahit may tattoo po kayo.
Okay. Wow, ano ito? Si Ryan Pacanya, Ma'am, what if graduate akong short course like FNB, then may NC2 po ako? Qualified pa ba? Po ba?
Alright. So, yung NC2, yung mga trainings and seminar certificate kasi natin, that are advantage po lang po natin sa ibang applicants. Ang kailangan kasi din natin talaga dito is experience. Kailangan po talaga yung experience. Not necessarily na experience na, sir, paano po ang experience ko is way back 2013. So, masyado na po kasing matagal po yung 2013. So, ang hinahanap talaga natin is at least currently employed or at least wala pong 1 year gap yung working experience.
Okay, nakita ko lang duman medyo mabilis. May Tolosa, watching from Canada, Quebec, Canada. Thank you for watching. At saka may nadaanan din na questions na nasa Hong Kong daw po siya, nanny. So wala po, hindi po tayo nagre-recruit ng nannies caregiver, nanny, family drivers, fruit picker,
Yes.
housekeepers, hindi po tayo nagre-recruit ng mga ganyang industry po. Mayroon din nagtanong, ito medyo mabilis, kung mayroon daw ba tayong office sa Cebu. Wala po kaming offices aside from our office here in Quezon City. We are not holding any other offices in any part of the Philippines. Okay. D.A. Villalobos, pasok pa din po ba kahit from Saudi at fast food manager, ano to? Fast food shift manager, kakauwi lang ng September.
Yes, pasok pa rin po yun.
Okay.
Yes pa.
So, good news para sa iyo, D.A. Villalobos, pasok pa raw. Pwede pa. So, apply na.
Yeah, apply now guys.
Apply na. What else pa ang ano? We have time to answer. Jesset Ning Balitungtong Koromba. Proud iPhones product. Yay! You are part of our you are part of our
iPhones 50 years
iPhones
and
50
beyond.
Club and beyond. Thank you, Gisette. Mag-iingat kayo dyan, and regards to all your colleagues na deployed ng iPhones. Maraming salamat sa Thank you for watching. Okay. So, siguro, as we mentioned earlier, those who are watching and that are interested for the fast food service industry, you have heard the first-hand information on what are all the basic requirements and qualifications if you are interested to pursue your application for this industry. So, mahalaga po na you take notes of those tips that Mr. Jomel have shared, because it will help you a lot in terms of your application. Kumbaga, ang success rate mo ay medyo mataas because you are prepared na bago ka pa pumunta para magpa-interview. Alright? So, ano pa ito? Si Lylans Ian. Thank you, iPumps, watching from Canada right now. Oh, wow. Ano bang oras sa Canada ngayon? They are still watching.
It's at 2 a.m.
Ano ito? Bagong galing ng duty, Lyrans? Sige. Shout out to everybody. At saka pa-shout out na rin daw kay Mr. Nico Diaz. Busy siya. Okay. So, maraming salamat po, as in, thank you very, very much, Mr. Jomel. The information that you have shared is definitely an advantage to our applicants. And in as much po that we would like to prolong, kaya lang po matatapos na po tayo. But don't you worry, we will be back next week. So, just please, if you are still online and watching, nasa screen po natin ngayon, nire-repeat po natin yung 4 ways to apply para po hindi kayo malilito kung saan nyo po ipapadala ang inyong mga CV. I would suggest po, if you are sending your application, hindi po pwede yung I want to apply, yun lang yung nakalagay sa email. Dapat po may tamang subject. So, for example, you are applying for fast food supervisor. So, sa subject line po dapat nakalagay doon, fast food supervisor. And of course, the body of your email. Plus, do not forget yung attachments na binanggit ni Mr. Jomel, like your CVs, your police clearance, your NBI, payor certificate, and of course, yung inyong school credentials is available. Pwede nyo na rin pong isend. Alright? Okay. So, last na to, Debbie Markira, may naging patient po kami sa Heart Center. Ano to, Petal 1, bilalaki siya, nagbigay ng card. Why? May-ari ng iPumps?
May-ari daw ng iPhones.
Okay. For your nurse po ba si Ma'am Debbie? Ma'am Debbie, for your information po, ang may-ari po ng iPumps, I do not know kailan po ba ito pumunta dyan para nagbigay ng CV? Pa-send mo na lang po yung application mo sa usrn@ipumps.com or kaya uk@ipumps.com, and we please be very mindful na po yung may-ari ng aming iPumps ay hindi po yan nag-iikot para mamigay ng calling card.
Baka mukha na may-ari.
Baka mukha lang po siyang may-ari. Pero para safe po kayo, send your CV sa usrn@ipumps.com or ukrn@ipams.com. Yun na po. So, babay na po. Magpapaalam na po
Thank you
tayo,
so
Sir
much, guys.
Jonel.
Thank you to all viewers.
Yes, thank you very much for staying. Mayroon pa rin tayong 731 viewers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And Miss Lala will be on the chair next week. Yung mga nakamiss sa kanya, dadating na siya next week. Okay, bye everyone!